Dude, where's my car? Where's your car, dude? Dude, where's my car? Where's your car, dude? Dude, where's my car? Where's your car, dude? Did I drive last night? Yeah, I think so. Really? I'm not sure. Dude, where's your car? Dude, it's not funny, dude. The car's gone. Yeah. Dude, where's my car? Shut up, dude! Man. How wasted were we last night? Well, I touched Christy Boner's hoo-hoo. We're on the hook for $200,000 that belongs to a transsexual stripper, and my car's gone. Said we were pretty wasted. Dude.
Are you Jesse and Chester?
Huh?
Are you Jesse and Chester?
I don't know, why?
If you are Jesse and Chester, perhaps we will give you erotic pleasure.
That's us! Right here! Dude, you got a tattoo! So do you, dude? No. Oh. Dude, what does my tattoo say? Sweet! What about mine? Dude, what does mine say? Sweet! What about mine? Dude, what does mine say? Sweet! What about mine? Dude, what does mine say? Sweet! What about mine? Dude, what does mine say? Sweet! What about mine? Dude, what does mine say? Sweet! What about mine? Dude, what does mine say? Sweet! Dude, you just touched Christy Boner's hoo-hoo. Shippy! Low five. Yeah. Let's get out of here. Dude! You gotta go. What, are you crazy? I'm surrounded by breakdancing strippers. Seriously, dude, this is an emergency. So is this, dude. It's a breakdancing stripper emergency. Bye! Bye, Chester. I love you! Oh, Ikora! Ore tachimono! Nihongo! Oh! Hanasuzo! Sugei na!
Where is a Continuum transfunctioner?
We don't have it, but we'd like you to meet our girlfriends, Wanda and Wilma.
Yeah, we've already met. You better stay away from our boyfriends, you fake-breasted sluts.
Quickly, you must give it to us so we can deactivate it. We are the keepers of the Continuum transfunctioner. They will use it to destroy the universe.
No, we are the keepers of the Continuum transfunctioner. They want to destroy the universe.
Stop copying us.
Stop copying us.
Stop copying us.
Stop copying us.
Bitch.
Damn. Now those are some big-ass pennies.
Last night, Jesse and Chester had the most unforgettable time of their lives. But this morning...
Dude, where's my car?
They can't remember a thing.
It's Chrissy Boner, the hottest of the hot.
Hi, Jesse. I had a really good time with you last night.
Have you seen my car?
Well, I saw the back seat.
Oh, I'm talking about the whole thing.
Now, the only way to find their car...
No way we were here last night.
Look, it's Jesse and Chester!
...is to find out what they did and who they did it to.
Dude, you're a dude!
Last night.
You guys got more important things to worry about. Where were you between the hours of midnight and 2 a.m.?
We don't remember.
Hey, leave him alone! He doesn't know anything!
We are the recipients of instructions from outer space. Last night, you were in possession of the Continuum transfunctioner.
Hey, have you guys ever been to Uranus?
Go ahead and laugh. We are used to being mocked.
Okay.
Are you Jesse and Chester?
I don't know, why?
Perhaps we will give you pleasure.
That's us! Right here.
If you give us the Continuum transfunctioner.
20th Century Fox presents...
Oh, ikura! Nihongo! Oh! Hanasuzu! Sugeina!
The ultimate...
It's llama. Stand very still.
in high adventure.
You got a tattoo!
So do you, dude? What does my tattoo say?
Sweet! What about mine?
Dude, what does mine say? Sweet! What about mine? Dude, what does mine say?
Sweet!
Dude, where's my car?
What does mine say?
Sweet! What about mine?
Dude! What does mine say?
Thank you for clicking on our video, everybody. If you like what you saw here, please make sure you like the video and subscribe and share with your friends who like this sort of content. JoBlo remains an independent company, and we appreciate all of your support.